So if you're looking to get the ohllob cloud sectional couch, I wanted you guys to get a good look of it. So my name is Juan from Parent Game, and I'm trying to get as many different angles as I possibly can on this, so you can know what to expect. This is an L-shaped couch with the ottomans, which are removable. And basically, with those ottomans, you could pretty much make any seat on the sofa like a chase, which is amazing, especially if you're looking to like lounge out after a long day. Great for watching movies, sports with your family and whatnot. There's a couple different arrangements you can get and a few different colors you can get as well. But we love it. Insanely comfortable. The cloud design on the cushions just makes everything very nappable, if that means if that makes sense. So if you're looking to take a nap, this is the one for you. But we love the whole look of it. It's very like kind of luxurious, modern looking, and it being comfortable on top is just a win. So anyway, I hope this helps you out on your purchase, and have a great day.